guys, welcome back to the channel, or if you're new here, then welcome to the channel. I'm so excited to get into today's video because I don't know about you guys, but I have been craving some spring fashion. I've been dying to put some springy looks together and play with fun colors and patterns. But for me, the weather is not quite cooperating. It's still feeling more like winter where I live, although we are slowly starting to creep into spring weather. So I thought this was the perfect opportunity to create some winter to spring transitional outfits. These outfits incorporate the feel and color schemes that go along with spring, but they are still appropriate to wear when it's still just a little bit chilly outside. They feature various layering and different silhouettes that can be modified for transitional weather, and I'm very excited to share these looks with you, so let's get right into it. So starting off with this look, which I absolutely love. Now, this is definitely going to be on the warmer side of things when it comes to temperature, but I absolutely love this look. It starts with this kind of monochromatic base outfit. I have on these beige carpenter pants, which I am so excited to start styling more. These are one of my favorite thrift finds that I just haven't gotten the opportunity to wear yet. So I'm definitely going to be reaching for these a lot come springtime. And then to complete the look, I have one of my favorite thrifted jackets with this really funky pattern. And to complement the pattern on my jacket, I have these mint colored shoes. That is one of my favorite ways to tie an outfit together, is to match my shoes with the top portion of my outfit, whether that's my top or my outerwear. And you see that I just have this very simple tank top underneath. I've recently added some more basic and elevated basics to my wardrobe, and this is one of them, and it has been so great for putting outfits together. But this is my completed look, and I am so excited to start wearing it more as we get closer to true spring. This is another casual spring outfit that I think is perfect for the transitional period between winter and spring. Once again, I'm rocking these carpenter pants because I just love them so much. And again, I'm using that rule to match my shoes with my top. And I threw on this little baseball cap because I think that it ties in perfectly with the teal details that I have going on. Also, comment down below if you know what this hat is from. I absolutely love it. And I think that a denim jacket is a perfect spring outerwear piece. It's going to keep you a little bit warm without overheating. Outfit number 3, I am rocking one of my favorite pairs of jeans. If you've been on my channel for a while, you're probably sick of seeing these. I hope not, because I feature them in so many style videos. And with this channel, I really want to show you guys how to really utilize what you have in your closet and rewear the pieces you love over and over again. So I hope you're okay with seeing repeat pieces, because I think it's going to be a recurring theme on my channel, so I hope that's okay. But this is outfit number 3. And I feel like the rainbow detail of these jeans just screams springtime. And then I think that the white on this top is also very springy. And the little tie detail of the cardigan is very girly and feminine. But it's still a long sleeve, so I'm not gonna freeze. And if I did want to add on a jacket for extra warmth, then I would reach for my brown leather one. Even though there's no brown in the rest of this outfit, I feel like the shade of brown really reads 70s, which I think really complements these rainbow bell bottoms. And I really like the overall vibe of this outfit. It really incorporates so many of my favorite styles with the 70s flair, but then kind of the girly look of this top. To finish it off, I just have some white sneakers. I wanted to show you guys one more way that I like to style this little cardigan, and that is to pair it with something more masculine. I think that it creates a really fun contrast and kind of a street style look, which is a little bit different for me, but overall I really like the look of this. But to finish off this look, if I wanted to add a jacket, then I thought it would be fun to reach for this varsity style Disney jacket. And a lot of people might not like to pair reds and greens together. If you can't tell, these cargo pants are kind of a faded green. Sometimes they show differently on camera, but I really like the look of them paired together, and I think that it really completes that kind of street style edgy look. And overall, I just think that this makes a really cool and interesting outfit combination. This look, I think, is so pretty and beautiful for the springtime. It's a little bit more dressed up, something that I would wear out to dinner. And if I wanted to dress it up a little bit more, I would probably pair it with like a nude strappy heel. I think that that would look really pretty. But to make it a little bit more casual and wearable, I'm just pairing it with my brown wedges. And this button up I've had forever. I actually featured it in my first YouTube video where I shared my top 10 favorite thrift finds. This top was one of them, and those rainbow jeans were one of them as well, so they are still serving me very well. And I think that this look is so sophisticated and put together, and I think all the tones work really nicely together. I have on this very spring appropriate little bag, and I kind of haphazardly pulled my hair back because I think that a slick hairstyle would look really well with this outfit. So this outfit features a piece that I'm feeling very indecisive about. I can't decide if I want to hold on to this sweater vest or donate it. I've really been going back and forth, but I do like it in this outfit. I think I styled something similar before, but with my brown bell bottoms. And I think that this look is very wearable while still being a little bit 70s inspired. And I do think that it's very appropriate for springtime, because in summer I would probably just style this top without the vest and just with a tank top and wear it open. So I think that the sweater vest makes it more spring appropriate and a little bit more unique looking. I think this outfit is very fashion forward and dynamic, so I do like it. I finished it off with those same brown wedges, and overall I do really like the look of this, and I might have to recreate it for a day-to-day outfit. So midi and maxi skirts are something that I absolutely love to reach for come springtime, but it's definitely too cold to get away with this where I live. So what I did is I paired some fleece-lined tights with them to make them more practical to wear right now. And I feel like the floral print of this reads very springtime, but I'm kind of dressing it in more of a dark color palette, which is perfect for the transitional season. This top is a new addition to my closet. As I mentioned before, I recently added some new elevated basics to my wardrobe, and I've been loving them. You've probably seen a lot of them throughout the video, and they are working in my closet so well. I want to do a whole video about how to curate and shop for elevated basics because it makes getting dressed so much easier. But anyways, this is my finished look, and I absolutely love it. I think that it definitely reads spring while being appropriate for more chilly temperatures. And if I were to pair a jacket with this, I would reach for my leather blazer. And I really like all of the contrasting elements of this look. The leather blazer with more of the feminine, almost ballet core top because of the really pretty wrap detail that it has. And then the floral pattern, which is definitely spring. I just think that they all work really well to make a very interesting outfit. I'm so excited to share an outfit featuring this jacket because I feel like I just don't wear it enough. I actually got it as a hand-me-down, which is amazing because this jacket is so incredibly cool and detailed. I also think it's the perfect example of a more winter silhouette with spring details, and that's what you want to look for in the transitional season. You can see that it really shines with the floral and stud details throughout the piece. It gives it just a little touch of femininity while still being really edgy and cool. I have it paired with the same top from the last outfit. I feel like this top is going to be so versatile and I'm really excited to style it more in the future. I have on just a simple pair of jeans and black boots, and I definitely feel like this is such a good evening look for springtime and definitely something I want to recreate in the future. So for our last look, I had to break out some overalls. I think that these can be styled all year round and you can just kind of change it up depending on the layering. But I love the way that this look came together. I've been meaning to pair this shirt with these overalls, but I just haven't gotten around to it. And now that I'm actually trying it on, I think that it looks really, really cute. To make the look a little bit more funky and unexpected, I paired it with my beige loafers. I think that it's really fun to pair something casual like overalls with more of an elevated shoe. I also really like pairing them with my black boots to add a heel. I think that that's really fun as well. And you could totally go with more of a simple shirt underneath, but I think having the texture peeking through makes the look a lot more interesting and unexpected. And I just love the way this looks together. I know I'm saying that about all the outfits, but I really needed this video. I was feeling like I was going through a bit of a style rut, so this has been so fun for me to create new outfit combinations. It's inspiring myself, and I hope it's serving as inspiration for you guys as well. So that's a wrap on these outfits. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. That way I know to keep making videos similar to this one. Also, don't forget to let me know which of these looks were your favorite and what you're looking forward to wearing most this spring. If you haven't subscribed, be sure to do so if you want to, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a new video from me. I usually upload on Sundays, but I've been having fun kind of sprinkling in some bonus videos during the week, so I don't want you guys to miss out on those. Thanks so much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!